Welcome, everyone. Today, we're tackling a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of NetSuite, External ID. Think of it like naming your pet turtle. If you get it wrong, things get messy. We'll go over what these ID do, how to update them, and most importantly, how not to mess it up. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be the NetSuite ID guru. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. All right, let's set the stage. External ID are like digital fingerprints. They help NetSuite recognize records uniquely. Businesses use them to keep data clean and avoid duplicate records. It's like ordering coffee by name instead of pointing at a menu picture. Smooth and efficient. So, let's dive into why these ID are your unsung heroes. Imagine running a business where every employee had the same name. Chaos, right? That's exactly why external ID matter in NetSuite. They prevent duplicates, maintain consistency, and make integrations seamless. Without them, your database turns into a wild west of confusion. Let's make sure we get this right. Before we jump into updating external ID, let's check our toolkit. You wouldn't go skydiving without a parachute, right? You need admin access, a grasp of record types, a PI permissions, and a solid backup plan. No one wants to be that person who accidentally wipes out critical data. Let's stay prepared. Updating external ID sounds simple, but trust me, there are plenty of pitfalls. Formatting mistakes. That's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Duplicate entries. Say hello to a digital identity crisis. Forgetting to update linked records. Hope you love manual corrections. And ignoring validation rules. Well, the system won't ignore them for you. Let's break down how to sidestep these common errors. Troubleshooting external ID issues is like detective work, minus the cool trench coat. First, check your mappings. If ID don't match, the integration is bound to break. Next, dig into those logs. They are the silent narrators of everything that went wrong. Debugging tools, your best friend when things refuse to work. And finally, yes, documentation exists for a reason. Sometimes the answers are just sitting there waiting to be read. Automation is like magic, except it's powered by logic, not wizardry. Scripts can handle bulk updates, so you don't have to. Scheduled workflows. They make sure your IDs stay fresh, like morning coffee. Third-party APIs. Perfect for seamless updates across systems. And let's not forget validation checkpoints, because nothing good comes from blind automation. Security isn't just a checkbox. It's the backbone of reliable external ID management. Encryption keeps your data safe, even if hackers try their best. Role-based access ensures only the right people make changes. Audit logs. They keep records, so if something suspicious happens, there's a trail. And unauthorized modifications. Let's block those before they even become a headache. Validation is where the magic happens, or where errors reveal themselves. Cross-referencing helps ensure you're not making changes based on faulty data. Consistency checks prevent mismatched values. Integration accuracy ensures that your updates actually work across systems. And testing before deployment, because skipping it is like driving blindfolded. Integration syncing is all about keeping the chaos at bay. Standardizing data formats avoids mismatches. Sync frequency ensures updates happen regularly, not randomly. Proactive conflict resolution saves you from future headaches. And monitoring discrepancies. Well, spotting problems early saves a world of trouble later. Monitoring and auditing aren't just extra steps. They're the secret to keeping things error-free. Tracking update history lets you see what's been changed. Alerts warn you when something goes wrong. Change logs help troubleshoot issues. And audits, well, they keep everything accountable, like a digital watchdog. Nothing beats real-world examples. We'll see what worked, what failed, and how companies overcame integration nightmares. Optimization strategies will show how automation can be refined, and ultimately the goal, long-term stability in external ID management. Let's learn from the best. We covered a lot, but let's sum it up neatly. Avoid errors like duplicates and bad formatting. Automation is great, but don't let it run wild. Security and validation. Keep things safe and correct. And monitoring ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Master these, and external ID management will be a breeze. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.